Hi everybody. This past weekend
we're going to talk about a tip blown away at the air show and the lady catching it.
Yeah, it hit a lady. We were at an air show this past weekend in Montgomery, Alabama, and while we were sitting in our little lawn chairs, one of the tents that people have, like the little sunshade tents, it came, the wind blew it and it started flowing through the air.
And two napkins, and this, my friend, like, what's that? Nathan, so him said, one fly napkin, two fly napkins flying away.
Yeah, the wind was blowing so hard it was blowing napkins, huh, Cash?
Yeah, it blew everything.
It was blowing real bad. And your mama said that you couldn't get one of those bouncy houses. Why?
Why?
Because the wind might catch it and blow it around, right? Yep. So the wind was blowing really hard. And watch this video about this little tent that hit a lady. We don't think she got too bad hurt because she rode on the little golf cart, and she wasn't bleeding or anything, but she acted like maybe it hurt her a little bit. But she was an elderly lady, and she wasn't able to get up and run away from it fast enough. In my video, it shows some of it, a little bit of it. I had to run and try to get Cash because I didn't want him to, for it to hit Cash. So I was running after him. So watch our video and come here. And see if,
Is that it, Mom?
Oh, we're almost done. Anyway, watch our video, okay?
Oh my, Cash, come here! Cash, come here! Get out of the way! Oh, crap!
It hit a woman, look. I got it, but I got me running after Cash.
There's someone under there that got hit.
Y'all remember
To stay southern and sassy.
to stay southern and to stay sassy, and Cash quit it. Okay? Quit acting ugly.
I said quit it.
Okay.
Not
Stay
me.
southern.
I said the tent quit it.
Okay. Remember, look at it. Remember to stay southern and to stay sassy. And we hope y'all have a wonderful day. You hope they have a wonderful day, Cash?
Yeah.
Okay. Give them a kiss. Listen, and be sure to anchor your umbrellas and tents down, because that's dangerous.